So today we are going to start with the design of a doubly reinforced section. So all of you take down the question first. All of you please be ready with your calci and notes so that you can answer me, give the values quickly, okay? So take down the question. A reinforced concrete member of 300 by 750 mm effective. A reinforced concrete member of 300 by 750 mm effective carries a limit moment of 200 kilonewton meter.
Sir, can you repeat, please?
A reinforced concrete member of 300 by 750 mm effective carries a limit moment of 200 kilonewton meter. Carries a limit moment of 200 kilonewton meter. Calculate the amount of reinforcement required. Calculate the amount of reinforcement required if M25 and Fe415 is used. If M25 and Fe415 is used, if the above moment is increased by 4 times, if the above moment is increased by 4 times, then calculate the amount of reinforcement required. Then calculate the amount of reinforcement required. Consider effective cover as 75 mm.
Sir, increased by?
Increased by 4 times. If the above moment is increased by 4 times, then you have to calculate the amount of reinforcement. Consider effective cover as 75 mm. Consider effective cover as 75 mm. I hope the question is clear to everyone. So basically the size of the member is 300 by 750 mm. Effective carries a limit moment of 200. Then you have to find out the reinforcement required. Now if the above moment is increased by 4 times, then you have to find out the reinforcement. So start with the question, write down the given data quickly. So basically there are two parts in this question. The first part may, when the moment is 200, you have to find out the steel. Yes, am I audible, everyone? Have you started with the problem? I hope the first part you
Yes,
have
sir.
got it. Okay, so this is which question we are doing? Question number 3, I guess. Yeah, I hope it is visible. Okay, so the size is how much? 300, and depth is 750, which is effective already given, and carries a limit moment. That means mu is 200 kilonewton meter, and M25 and Fe415 is used. Okay, and effective cover is 75 mm. So what we have to find out? We have to find out the AST. So actually the first AST, okay, दो part है इसमें. So let us start with the solution. So what is the first part? We have to find out the steel. So mu is given to us. By the way, anyone got the answer for this? Yes, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
So first part, have anyone tried, got the answer? Yes or no? So now what you will do, tell me. So this moment is given to you. You have to find out the steel. Yes, anyone?
पहले पहले वर्किंग मूवमेंट निकालेंगे.
वर्किंग मोमेंट क्यों? डायरेक्ट तुमको लिमिट मोमेंट दिया है ना क्वेश्चन में. Why do you want to find the working moment? We are doing limit state method. X max, Mahfouz is saying X max निकालेंगे. Okay, then what you will do? So basically, first you will check whether AST is 784. Anish is saying Mahfouz is saying FSC निकालेंगे. ठीक है. So before doing that, Mahfouz, you have to understand first. You will have to find out the MR of a singly reinforced balance section. ठीक है. MR of singly reinforced balanced section is given by what? Anyone? It is given by 0.138 FCKB.
0.138 into FCKB display.
Correct. Now give me the value of this. 0.138 FCK है 25 and B है 300 and D है 750 square. So this will give me what value? Yes, give me the value. $582.18. Okay, 582.18. So now tell me, this is the acting moment and this is the capacity of the section. So by comparing this, what you can say, what you can conclude? Anyone? Yes.
Moment
you
of
can conclude from
resistance is more than limiting moment.
more than the acting moment, correct? So what does that imply? So this MR is greater than MU acting. So hence it is a singly reinforced section. Yes. What are you
सर
doing?
MR बड़ा है तो W हो गया ना?
MR is acting moment तुम्हारा कम है इसके कैपेसिटी से, ठीक है?
हाँ
I'll
तो
write like
इसीलिए
this.
W हुआ ना?
इसीलिए सिंगली हुआ ना. Let me explain. ठीक है? MU acting moment here. MU is the acting moment is less than the capacity MR of a singly reinforced balance section. So therefore, hence, it is a singly reinforced section. Understood?
हाँ सर, यस सर।
हाँ सर समझा
ये जो
समझा।
तुम्हारा एक्टिंग मोमेंट है उसके कैपेसिटी से कम ही है, उसका कैपेसिटी एक्सीड नहीं हो रहा है ना. सो दैट इज व्हाई इट इज अ सिंगली रीइंफोर्स्ड. डबली रीइंफोर्स्ड कभी यूज करते हैं जब भी इसका कैपेसिटी से भी ज्यादा मोमेंट एक्ट कर रहा है, तो जब भी हम लोग डबली रीइंफोर्स्ड यूज करते हैं ना.
समझा सर समझा।
हाँ. So this is a singly reinforced section. So now what you can do, simple जैसे singly reinforcement में स्टील निकालते थे वैसे स्टील निकालना है. So now to find out AST, ठीक है? So to find AST, what we will do? Which equation we will use? MR is equal to CU into lever arm. So MR is 200 and this is okay. So before finding out the AST, we will find out XU and then we'll find out the AST. Remember everyone?
Yes, sir.
हाँ ठीक है. अभी XU का वैल्यू दो मुझे quickly. So which implies XU is equal to yes, give me the value.
So working moment and limiting moment are one and the same, or?
इसमें क्वेश्चन में मैंने दिया है ना, क्वेश्चन में मेंशन किया है कि लिमिट मोमेंट तुमको दिया है. लिमिटिंग
No
मतलब
sir,
फैक्टर्ड
I am
मोमेंट.
just asking. Acting moment ना?
हाँ, लिमिटिंग मतलब फैक्टर्ड होता है. ठीक है? तीन वर्ड्स यूज कर सकते हैं. आइदर यू कैन से लिमिटिंग मोमेंट और फैक्टर्ड मोमेंट और अल्टीमेट मोमेंट. तीनों का मीनिंग सेम है. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
और इसको बोलेंगे MR ऑफ अ सिंगली रीइंफोर्स्ड बैलेंस सेक्शन. Yes, XU 104.93. Okay. So we got the value of XU. So now what is XU max, anyone? XU max is for FE415 grade, we know it is 0.48D. So ये कितना आ रहा है? 360. Okay. So which implies therefore XU is less than XU max. So hence it is an under reinforced section. Correct? So hence it is an under reinforced section. So now can you find out MR, sorry, AST? AST you can find out by MR is equal to TU into lever arm. So therefore MR is equal to TU into lever arm. Now give me the value of AST. Okay, so now MR is equal to TU into lever arm. So MR is nothing but 200 and TU is 0.87 FY into AST into lever arm is D minus 0.42 XU. Anyone got the value of AST? So which implies, okay, so be a little bit quick to give me the values. Okay, so now we have to
784.696.
784, 784.69. So we got the value of steel. So basically you have designed the singly reinforced section, correct? So after this, what you will do, select a suitable diameter and find out the number of bars and then draw the reinforcement detailing. Can you do that? I hope you can do that. So give me the number of bars, selecting a suitable diameter. So 784 है, so कितना diameter select करेंगे?
16.
ठीक है, so let us assume 16 mm diameter.
4 bars.
4 bars. So therefore AST provided direct time writing 4 bars of 16 dia. ठीक है, so ये बताओ अभी AST provided कितना हो जाएगा? Area
804.2.
804.2. So we got AST provided also. Okay, now what after this we have to do? We have to check also, correct? So give me the check also now. Okay, first one is XU. XU के लिए check करेंगे. So how will you find out XU? By equating CU equal to TU. Okay, this is AST provided. FCK is 25, G कितना है 300. XU we don't know. 0.87, FY is 415, AST provided is this 804.2. So which implies your value of XU. Yes, give me the value of XU.
107.539.
107. Okay. Others also getting the same value. Okay. So therefore, which implies that XU is less than XU max. XU max तो same ही है अपना. XU max कितना है 360. Correct. So therefore, XU is less than XU max. Hence, it is an under reinforced section. Hence, it is an under reinforced section. Now, similarly, we'll find out MR. So find out the value of MR. MR is equal to TU into lever arm 0.87 FY into AST into D minus 0.42 X. This is provided. Yes, anyone got the value of MR? Just write in the chat box.
204.65.
Okay, 204.65 kilonewton meter. So now this is greater than your MU, correct? So hence it is safe. ये एक्टिंग मोमेंट से ये कैपेसिटी इसका ग्रेट है जो जिसके लिए हमने स्टील प्रोवाइड किया. So hence it is safe. So both the conditions are safe. You're under reinforced section and MR. So now you can just draw the reinforcement detailing for this. Okay, so I'll leave that to you. Now let us go for the second case. Okay, so now we will go for the second case. So what case 2 is saying, anyone? Yes, what does the case 2 says? Okay, in the question, what it is mentioned, if the above moment is increased by 4 times, then calculate the amount of reinforcement. समझ में आया ये part सबको? So now tell me what will be the moment. So here
200 into 4.
exactly moment is increased by 4 times. So therefore mu is 200 into 4, which is nothing but 800 kilonewton meter. So now can you tell me what section is this? Yes, anyone? Quickly. I hope this is clear.
W.
हाँ, exactly. समझ में आया सबको? ठीक है. So just by looking at this, you should understand. अरे अभी तो moment इतना बढ़ गया है. So this is actually greater than MR कितना था अपना singly reinforced का? How much was that? 582.
582.1.
Exactly 582.18. ठीक है. Acting moment देखो अभी कितना ज़्यादा है. So hence what we can conclude? Hence it is a doubly reinforced section. Is this clear, everyone? ठीक है. So this is a very interesting question. So first case में singly भी तुम design कर रहे हो, फिर second case में then you understand that it is a doubly reinforced section. Is this clear? This point, everyone? Yes, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
So now you know that it is a doubly reinforced section. So now you have to proceed according to a doubly reinforced section. So now what you will do? ठीक है. तो सबसे पहले XU max so will remain same. So here XU max is nothing but this. Now you have to find out FSC. Correct? So FSC निकालो. FSC is 700 into 1 minus D dash upon XU max. Okay, so now give me the value of this FSC.
Five 554.16.
554.1. Okay, 554.1, exactly 17. Okay, so now we got the value of FSC. So now we know that we also have to check for the permissible value. So now find out by FSC by the ratio D dash by D quickly. So now what is D dash by D? D dash by D is nothing but it is mentioned in the question that the effective cover you can take it as 75 upon 750. So how much is this? So this is 0.1, I think. Correct. So now tell me FSC permissible. Therefore, FSC permissible ठीक है, from the table you can
353.
353. Okay, so 353 MPa. So this is directly given, no need to interpolate, correct? So now 554 and this is 353. Which one you will take?
350.
Yes, so this one you will take, correct? The permissible value, not more than that. So now what we have to find out, so we got the value of FSC also. Basically what we require in this part, can anyone tell me? Okay, second case में what we actually have to find out, the reinforcement. Okay, section dimension तो we already have. So basically design means what? To find out the dimensions and the reinforcement. So dimensions we already have. So in this case what we have to find out, ASC and AST. Understood? So now we'll find out ASC and AST. Since it is a doubly reinforced section, we'll have to find out ASC also and AST. I think last 5 minutes are remaining. So just to finish this off. So now to find out the steel, so first we will find out, we will use MR of a doubly reinforced balanced section. Okay, so as you know that for design, we will use as a balanced section. MR of a doubly reinforced balanced section is given by what? Anyone? Okay, so this is given by 0.138 FCK BD square plus FSC into ASC into D minus D dash. Okay, I hope you remember this, we have done in the last lecture. So now MR कितना है? 800 के लिए we are designing, and this is 0.138. FCK is 25, B is 300 plus FSC कितना है? 353 into ASC we don't know, and D minus D dash is 750 minus 75. So now what is the unknown? ASC is the unknown. Give me the value of ASC from this equation. Yes, anyone got the value of ASC? $914.1. Okay, others also just inform. 914.12 should get it. ASC, so we got the value of ASC. So now what we have to find out AST, correct? So to find AST, what we will do, we will equate CU1 plus CU2 equal to TU. So this will be 0.36 FCKB into XU max plus FSC into ASC. TU is nothing but 0.87 FY into AST. So here now AST is the unknown. So now give me the value of AST from this equation quickly. Last 2 minutes. 0.36 FCK is 25, B is 300, XU max is 360, and FSC is 353. ASC is 914.12 is equal to 0.87 FY is this, and AST is the unknown. So which implies AST equal to Yes, anyone got the value of AST? 3585.88. Okay, 3585.88. Okay, so we got the value of ASC also and AST also. ठीक है, so now you have to select suitable diameter and the number of bars. ठीक है, so now here ठीक है, इधर ही एक काम करो, जहाँ पे ASC we have found out, उधर ही क्या करना है, suitable diameter select करके number of bars and AST provide. So now ठीक है, for ASC let us select how much diameter, anyone?
32.
32 for ASC. ASC I'm talking about. ठीक है, इसके लिए
So 20.
yes, 20 is fine. Okay, so
So 3 bars.
3 bars of 20, so therefore ASC provided will be 3 bars of 20 dia. ठीक है, हाँ, अभी AST के लिए we have to obviously take a higher diameter since the area is more, so let us assume 32 diameter. ठीक है, so 32 diameter के लिए कितना हो जाएगा?
4.45. 5
4
bars.
point 4.45 5 आ रहा है क्या?
हाँ.
राउंड ऑफ किया तो
ठीक है, so therefore provide 5 bars of 32 dia. ठीक है, तो AST provided, can anyone tell me?